Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Today, in this opportunity, I would like to present our research entitled Characteristic of Sargassum plagiophyllum extract as an active compound on non-alcoholic hand sanitizer present by Santi Wisuda Saudara and Irasari, Andarini Diharmi, and Ilman Arif from Fisheries Products Processing, Faculty of Fisheries and Marine Science, Universitas Riau. Hand sanitizer is an antiseptic substance that contains active compounds in the form of antimicrobial agents that can inhibit the growth of gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria on the hand. One of the active compounds contained in hand sanitizer is alcohol with a percentage of 60 to 95%. So the alcohol has a good bactericidal activity against gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria with the ability to remove germ on hands. Currently, the use of hand sanitizer is increasing in line with the recommendation of the Indonesia government in implementing health protocols for activities during the COVID-19 pandemic to prevent or break the chain of the spread of COVID-19. The use of hand sanitizer is more effective and more efficient when compared to hand washing with soap and water. The use of hand sanitizer based on alcohol will cause negative effect in the term of fire hazard and skin toxicity. Moreover, alcohol also has a drying effect on hands, which can further cause the skin to crack. Based on this, hand sanitizer requires another alternative for the active compounds of alcohol in the term of natural active compounds. One alternative natural active compounds can be found from bioactive compounds produced from aquatic resources, specifically Sargassum plagiophyllum. One of species of brown seaweed contains phenolics, saponins, and flavonoids which have antibacterial activity and then can prevent skin cells from being damaged by dryness of the skin. The aims of this research was to determine the microbiological and physical characteristic of Sargassum plagiophyllum of the non-alcoholic hand sanitizer. Material and method. How to product of non-alcoholic hand sanitizers. The first, to make mess of A number of carbophore are manufactured by dispersing 0.5% carbophore with the 50 milliliters of distilled water, which has been heated to a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, allowed to expand and close until homogeneous, and left for 24 hours, then added 5 drops 3-ethanolamine. And the second, to make MESB, methylparaben, and 2% extract of Sargassum plagiophyllum dissolved in 15% propylene glycol. And the last, mass A, added gradually into mass B to form a hand sanitizer. The analysis of this research is microbiological analysis, gram-positive bacteria, Listeria monocytogenes, and gram-negative bacteria, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and the physical analysis, pH and viscosity. Result and discussion. Based on this table, non-alcoholic hand sanitizer containing 2% Sargassum plagiophyllum extract has bacterial inhibitory activity on both Pseudomonas aeruginosa bacteria and Listeria monocytogenes bacteria, which is characterized by the formation of an inhibition zone. The inhibition zone form was presumably because the seaweed contains bioactive compounds as antibacteria, thus inhibiting the growth of the bacteria. Based on this picture, non-alcoholic hand sanitizer containing 2% Sargassum plagiophyllum extract has an inhibition zone diameters of Listeria monocytogenes bacteria of 2.50 millimeters. The fucoxanthin group had an antibacterial effect against Listeria monocytogenes bacteria. And then non-alcoholic hand sanitizer containing 2% Sargassum plagiophyllum extract has an inhibition zone diameter of Pseudomonas aeruginosa bacteria of 4.33 millimeters. The bioactive compound in Sargassum consists of a terpenoid group that had the potential as antibacterial against Pseudomonas aeruginosa bacteria. And then Sargassum also contain bioactive compounds from the alginate and fucoidin groups which had a biological effect as antiviral. And then physical characteristic on non-alcoholic hand sanitizer containing 2% Sargassum plagiophyllum extract in the form of a gel, thick texture, and pure white color. And then based on this table, non-alcoholic hand sanitizer contain 2% Sargassum plagiophyllum extract has a pH of 7.33, and then the pH in the range of 6 to 7 still fulfill the SAP's pH requirement for normal skin. And then the viscosity obtained in non-alcoholic hand sanitizer containing 2% Sargassum plagiophyllum extract was 2,600 GPS according to the standard. The normal viscosity standard range from 2,000 to 4,000 GPS. So we concluded that the non-alcoholic hand sanitizer has a pH and viscosity according to the standards. Conclusion. There are 3 conclusions in this research. The first, non-alcoholic hand sanitizer had characteristics in the form of a gel with gram-positive and gram-negative antibacterial activity. And the second, the pH value produced from the hand sanitizer containing Sargassum plagiophyllum was in accordance with the recommended skin pH. And the last, the hand sanitizer containing Sargassum plagiophyllum had a viscosity value according to the viscosity standard. That's all. This is my presentation. I'm so sorry for my mistake. Thank you for your great attention. And I end it all by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.